The cathode ray flickers against the peeling wallpaper of his room, casting shadows of a 46-year-old ghost who feeds on the bloom. Lizzy smiles on the sitcom, 16 and polished like a porcelain doll, while Arthur traces the curve of a throat on the screen, pinned to the wall. He rewinds the tape until the plastic screams, frame by frame, carving the rage into his forearm. A bleeding, jagged sword of flame, the scent of stale air and rotting obsession thickens the space between as he tastes the salt of her tears through the glass of the TV screen. He's memorized the pulse in her neck and the way her eyelids blue, and whispers to the static, everything I do is because I want you. The sliding glass door shatters like a high-pitched silver scream, ending the quiet suburban night and the family's peaceful dream. Arthur stands over the father, a heavy blade wet with charisma spray, splitting the bone of the man who dared to stand in his jagged way. The mother's plea is silenced by a hand that smells of iron and rust as her life leaks into the carpet, turning the expensive rug to red dust. He steps over the twitching remains, his boots leaving a sticky dark trail, ignoring the flesh on the floor to reach the girl behind the floral veil. The hallway is painted in a wet copper smelling, glistening hue. He grins through the gore and mumbles, I've come because I want you. Curled in the corner, her throat raw from the howling of her grief, while Arthur kneels in the crimson, a monster seeking a lover's relief. Don't cry, my star, he croons, stroking hair matted with her mother's blood. I've spent thousands of hours watching your light through the Hollywood mud. I've waited since your first pilot, since you were 10 and so blissfully small. I've built us a kingdom beneath the earth where no one can hear you call. The world only saw the actress, but I saw the soul that was meant to be mine. Now we'll rot in the dark together, darling, until the end of time. He drags her into the night, the driveway stained a deep, permanent and blue. As the door clicks shut forever, finally I have what I want.